Alright, good day everyone. So today we have the opportunity to look into one of the most popular NECA figures and the most anticipated NECA releases this year, considering they've lost the Godzilla license already. So probably this is one of the most popular Godzilla suits or Godzilla incarnation out there. So this is Godzilla versus Biollante, or commonly known in the Japan as Biogoji. So the box looks amazing. So it has the movie poster art on the cover, on the sides, and at the back it has a preview of what the figure looks like. And so yeah, without further ado, let's look into the figure itself. Okay, so when we open up the box, it reveals a box art of the figure, which was taken from a scene from the movie where Biollante turned into some sort of fireflies or light and then just drifted away from Godzilla. But this one is using the figure that we have here. It also has one of the deleted scenes from the movie where Godzilla was surrounded by a field of flowers. That wasn't included in the movie, but it's nice that they actually captured that scene on the box as well. So yeah, let's go on and open up the figure. So I'll catch up with you once I've connected the tail and all that stuff. All right. Right. So out of the box, this is what we have. So we have Biogoji, his long tail, and it also comes with a beam effect. So that's cool. So yeah, let's open it up. Let's free him from this plastic prison and let's review the figure. Finally, Biogoji in all its glory. Overall, I'd say this figure is incredibly built. The sculpt was spot on. I really couldn't fault NECA for any of the sculpt. It's really good. Some would say that the thighs are too thick. Nah, I don't think so. I'm good with the thighs. My only gripe on the figure actually was the eyes, but now that I look at it, it grows on you really. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna paint it. I was planning to paint it, but now that I see it, I don't know, it's gonna take a while for me to decide probably. But the sculpt was really well done. The details on the dorsal plates, the details on the skin, the details on the face was really good. In terms of paint application, they have some botches here and there. You can see some of the hands are not properly painted, some of the toes are not properly painted, but for the price, I don't think I'm not gonna complain at all. Overall it's really a good figure. So yeah, now let's look at the articulation, because here this is just a really good figure. This is the way to end the toy line. I'm sad that NECA has to call it quits with their Godzilla license, with them losing the Godzilla license. I hope that someday they would get it back. So yeah, let's look at the articulation on this figure. So in terms of articulation, the head, the mouth is on a hinge. The head is on a ball joint. The neck is also on a ball joint. It goes that far and goes down that far. But normally Biogoji has his neck upright and his face looking down. That's his usual pose in the movie. So you're probably not gonna move the neck that much. Anyway, the arms are on a hinge and the swivel. The forearms are also on a hinge and swivel. So is the wrist. It's on a ball joint, I guess. No, it's a hinge and a swivel. So, and then the hands, signature of NECA, they are on a hinge. As for the leg, the thighs are on a ball joint, and then the knees are on a hinge and a swivel. It's kind of tight, so you need to loosen that up. The feet are on a, I don't think it's a ball joint. Is it? Yeah, I guess it's a ball joint, yeah. So the feet are on a ball joint. Now, the tail. The nice thing about the tail is it holds the pose. It's basically ball joints all the way. But so how many ball joints does it have? So it has one here. It has a swivel on this end, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ball joints, and then the bendy wire on this end. So yeah, that's Biogoji for you. I'm sure at some point it's gonna be loose. Quick fix, just put some paint on the joints, or probably some acrylic emulsion. That should do the thing. Or if you have any acrylic paint that matches this color, it's better. So yeah, in terms of articulation, that's what it is. Overall, I still think this is a very good figure. So now let's look at the accessories that it comes with. So the nice thing about it, for less than 30 bucks, you get a beam effect. Sure, I probably could do something better, but it's still a beam effect. It's nice. So, and the nice thing about the NECA beam effects is that it lines up well. It's plug and play. You don't need any additional stands for it. And there you have it. That's what Biogoji looks like with the beam effect. I could do something for it, but this one's nice. Yeah. And it holds. It has, the nice thing about the NECA beam effects is they have this teeth marks on the bottom of the beam effect. So it lines up well, and then it latches onto those teeth. See? Alright. So, should you get this figure or not? Yes, you should. Any Godzilla collector out there should have at least one of these in their collection. It's really that good, to be honest. This is probably one of the best NECA figures I've ever bought and I've ever seen. And as I've said earlier, this is exactly the way how to end the toy line. I'm pretty sad that NECA had to lose their license. I hope that they get it sometime in the future. So yeah, this is Biogoji. This is probably one of the best Biogojis out there, including the SH Monster Arts KKK. So yeah, get this figure. It's out there for less than 30 bucks. So you guys should at least get one of these. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. And next up, I will show you, on my next video, I will show you how to make one of these. This is a Godzilla breath effect. I would make one for Biogoji over here. Probably that long, or probably this long would work. But anyway, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.